the factor label method, it leads you to the correct answer. And in B, how many grams of CO2 did you exhale? First, find out how many grams are in a mole by finding the molar mass of CO2. All right, so CO2, we've got 1 carbon, and oxygen, we've got 2. And carbon has a mass of 12. Oxygen has a mass of 16. So this gives us 12, this gives us 32, and that will give us 44. So there is the mass of CO2. Well, if we look at this and we want to know how many grams did you exhale, we're going to use this number of moles. So 12 moles of CO2, and again I like to put that over 1, and we know 1 mole of CO2 is 44 grams of CO2. So 44 grams of CO2. Well, we want grams, so we're pretty good. Moles of CO2 cancel out. 12 times 44, if my math is right, is 528 grams of CO2. And again, I keep repeating myself, but it's the procedure and the thought process. The numbers are going to change. Once you kind of get the thought process and the procedure down, the problems really don't become that bad. In a bag full of pennies, you have 2.15 moles of copper. How many grams do you have? Well, we're looking at copper, and we know we've got 2.15 moles of Cu. Again, I like to put that over 1. And 1 mole of copper is 63.6 grams of copper. Moles are gone, I want grams. That's what I got left. Again, these are gone. So if you end up doing the math, and if my math is right, about 136.7 grams of copper. So that takes care of that worksheet. And again, I know it looks like a lot of writing, but again, believe me, if you start getting the thought process down and writing things out, it will lead you onto the correct answer. All right, that's it from the Cave of Science for this one.